Good morning all. So in last class we have seen what is an equipotential surface. So an equipotential surface is something of the form xi of x, y, z equal to c, where xi is a solution of the Laplace equation. And now if you have any other function which is of the form, any other one parameter system of surfaces f of x, y, z equal to c, provided it satisfies certain conditions that can be used to generate an equipotential surface. So we will see an example of this today. So the question is to show that the surfaces x square plus y square plus z square equal to c, x raised to 2 by 3 can form a family of equipotential surfaces and find the general form of the corresponding potential function. So this is the question. So here you have f equal to f of x, y, z equal to c ആണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന surface എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So here f of x, y, z will be x square plus y square plus z square by x raised to 2 by 3. So that I can write as x raised to minus 2 by 3 into x square plus y square plus z square. Now we need to show that f equal to c will form a family of equipotential surfaces. Now this happens when we take the ratio del square f by, so when we take the ratio del square f by mod grad f square, so this must be a function of f alone. So if del square f by grad f square is function of f alone, then f equal to c can form a family of equipotential surfaces. So now we need to find del square f and mod grad f square. So first we will find grad f. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ f എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ? f of x, y, z is equal to x raised to minus 2 by 3 x square plus y square plus z square വരും. So gradient of f will be equal to del f. For first component, you will have derivative with respect to x. So that will be 2x into x raised to minus 2 by 3 varum plus minus 2 by 3 into x raised to minus 5 by 3 x square plus y square plus z square. That's a derivative with respect to x. Now derivative with respect to y is 2y x raised to minus 2 by 3 and derivative with respect to z is 2z x raised to minus 2 by 3. Now let me take 2 by 3 x raised to minus 5 by 3 outside. So when I take 2 by 3 x raised to minus 5 by 3 outside, so in the first term we will get 2x square, then minus y square minus z square varum. Then രണ്ടാമത്തെ termil I am going to get 3xy and in the last term I am going to get 3xz. So that is the value of gradient of f. Now we need to find mod grad f square. So that will be the square of each components. So that will be first component whole square plus second component square varum, third component square varum. So this is common. 2 by 3 x raised to minus 5 by 3 common ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ square എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ you will get 4 by 9 x raised to minus 10 by 3. Then here square എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ so you will get 4 x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 z raised to 4. Then നമ്മൾ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എടുക്കുക 2ab 2ac 2bc ഫോമിൽ വരും. അപ്പോൾ minus 4 x square y square minus 4 x square z square then plus 2 y square z square varum plus then now moving on to the square of these terms. Upon 9 x square y square plus 9 x square z square. So that is mod grad of square. So that will give you 4 by 9 x raised to minus 10 by 3. So simplify cheyumbo you will get 4x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 plus z raised to 4 plus 5 x square y square varum 5 x square z square varum plus okay 2 y square z square varum. Now this can be written as, so this will be equal to 4 by 9 x raised to minus 10 by 3. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിനെ എനിക്ക് 4x square plus y square plus z square into x square plus y square plus z square എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. So if you expand this product you can see that that is equal to this. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ 4x raised to 4 വരും, y raised to 4 വരും, z raised to 4 വരും. Then x square y squareന്റെ ടേംസ് വരുന്നത് 5x square y square വരും. അതുപോലെ x square z squareന്റെ ടേമും 5 വരും. അതുപോലെ y square z square that will be 2. So you will get the same value. So this is the value of mod grad of square. ഇനി നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത് del square f ആണ്. So del square f will be dou square f by dou x square plus dou square f by dou y square plus dou square f by dou z square വരും. So now dou square f by dou x square will be equal to I am writing the final answer. And നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തു നോക്കുക. You will get 4 by 9 x raised to minus 2 by 3 then plus 10 by 9 x raised to minus 8 by 3 into y square plus z square വരും. അതുപോലെ dou square f by dou y square will be equal to 2x raised to minus 2 by 3. അതുപോലെ dou square f by dou z square will be equal to 2x raised to minus 2 by 3. So when you add up all the three terms, so del square f will, so that will add up to 10 by 9 x raised to minus 8 by 3 into 4x square plus y square plus z square. So this is what you are going to get as del square f. So now we will take the ratio del square f by, so take del square f by mod grad of square. So that will give del square f 10 by 9 x raised to minus 8 by 3 4 x square plus y square plus z square varum by 4 by 9 x raised to minus 10 by 3 4x square plus y square plus z square into x square plus y square plus z square വരും. അപ്പോൾ that will give us 5/2 x raised to 2/3 വരും. ഇനി 4x square plus y square plus z square cancel ആവും. So you will be getting x square plus y square plus z square. So you can see that this is 5/2 f. So therefore del square f by mod grad f square, that's a function of f alone. So this implies, so this is the function chi of f. അപ്പോൾ chi of f എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 5/2 f വരും. Now we have seen the so we have seen how to calculate the potential function in the last class. So potential function psi will be given by a integral e raised to minus integral chi of f df plus b. So that is the required potential function. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് ഇതാണ് chi of f എന്ന് പറയുന്ന function of, so this is a function of f alone. So therefore we can form an equipotential. So therefore f equal to c forms, so that will form an equipotential surface. So that was what we are asked to prove in the first part. So now we need to find the general form of psi. So that will give a integral e raised to minus integral 5/2f df plus b വരും. So that is a e raised to minus 5/2 ln f integral ഉണ്ട് df plus b. So that will be a integral f raised to minus 5/2 df plus b. So that is a f raised to minus 5/2 plus 1. So that is f raised to minus 3/2 by 3/2 വരും. That will go to a. So plus b. So this is the required value. So you can substitute back f, that will give us a. അപ്പോൾ എഫിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x square plus y square plus z square by x raised to 2/3 whole power minus 3/2 plus b. So this will be the required value. അപ്പോൾ x raised to 2/3 whole raised to minus 3/2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x raised to minus 1 വരും. So you can take x to the numerator. So this is the value of psi. So that is the required equipotential surface.